Every circle of beauty needs to circle back to your youthful beauty within. Introducing our new pioneering healthy aging skincare system, enhanced with pre- and probiotics, that can revolutionize skin's healthy aging process. With an innovative blend of high-tech active ingredients that helps to recover, defend, and make your skin look healthier. New Physio Radiance Skincare Collection. Because your beauty is our belief. Physio Radiance.